the final part of Joseph's story. Joseph's brothers are coming back to Egypt.
They don't know he's alive. Let's go!
Bibby's Bible Adventures! There's a famine, no food anywhere in the land. Joseph predicted this 7 years ago. His brothers need to come to Egypt for grain, and Joseph is in charge of everything.
I never imagined anything like this.
Stay close together.
What if he doesn't see us? What if we starve?
Joseph's brothers came to Egypt to buy food. They were scared and didn't know what to expect in this foreign land. Joseph recognized them right away, but they didn't recognize him. He looked completely different now, like an Egyptian ruler. The brothers bowed down completely before Joseph, exactly like in his dream from when he was just a boy. The dream! The dream from part 1. They're actually bowing to him right now, after all these years of suffering. God's plan was working the whole time. Whoa!
Spies!
No, please.
Joseph tested them. He accused them of being spies and kept their brother Simeon as a prisoner. Wait, I get it now. Joseph is testing them. They abandoned him years ago. Now he wants to see if they'll abandon Simeon too. Oh. Will they protect their brother this time?
Your youngest brother Benjamin, or Simeon stays in prison forever.
Our father won't let Benjamin leave.
Then you get no food.
Oh,
Go!
Benjamin, may the Lord watch over you and keep you safe.
Finally, Jacob let Benjamin go. The brothers protect him with their lives, no matter what.
You are safe.
Thank the heavens!
They brought Benjamin safely. Simeon was released. But Joseph had one final test, the biggest one. Joseph secretly had his special silver cup hidden deep in Benjamin's sack. This was the biggest test of all. Will they protect Benjamin this time? Or abandon him like they did Joseph? This shows if they've truly changed.
You stole the ruler's silver cup! What?
No!
Look what we have! Here!
No! No!
I didn't steal it! Back to the palace! The ruler will judge you! This one stays as my slave forever. The rest of you, go home!
No! Please!
Our father already lost one son. If Benjamin doesn't return, he'll die of grief. Take me instead. Make me your slave. I promise to protect him with my life.
He's willing to give up his life for Benjamin. They really did change. This is so different from part 1. They won't abandon him this time.
Everyone out! Leave us! Now!
Joseph couldn't hold back anymore. His brothers had truly, completely changed.
I am Joseph, your brother. I'm alive!
Joseph? But we're so sorry. Have mercy. Don't be afraid. Please don't be afraid of me. Joseph. Brother. We're so sorry. It's okay. It's okay now.
That's real forgiveness. That's how God forgives us. After everything they did, He still loves them.
Joseph, it is really you. I have found you at last.
Joseph brought his whole family to Egypt. His father Jacob got to see him again after 20 years. From the colorful coat to pit, slavery, prison, to ruler, God was working the entire time. Even when everything looked terrible, God's plan was so much bigger. Dear God, thank you for Joseph's story. Help us trust your plan even when things are hard. Help us forgive like Joseph forgave. And remember, you're always working.
Amen.
Thanks for watching Joseph's complete story with us. All 4 parts of the journey. Hit subscribe for more Bible adventures.
See you next time, friends.
Bibby's Bible adventures, come along with me. Stories from the Bible, there's so much to see. From the desert sands to the rolling sea.